English while sleeping. Learning English can be simple when you make it part of your daily life. You do not need to study for many hours every day. You can learn little by little, even before you go to sleep. Listening to simple English at night can help you spend more time with the language. It can also help you relax while you listen to easy words and short sentences. Before you go to bed, find a quiet place and get ready to sleep. Turn off things that may make you busy or worried. Then, play a simple English lesson. Choose a calm voice and easy words. You can listen to a short story, a simple conversation, or common English sentences. Do not choose a lesson that is too difficult. If you hear many words that you do not understand, you may feel tired or lose interest. Choose English that you can understand most of the time. Simple English is often better for daily practice. You can start with greetings. Listen to sentences like, "Good morning," "How are you?" "Nice to meet you," and "Have a good day." These are simple phrases, but they are useful in daily life. Listen to them many times. Then, try to say them yourself during the day. You can also listen to simple conversations. For example, you can listen to two people talking about their day. They may talk about work, food, family, school, shopping, or free time. These topics are easy to understand because they are part of everyday life. Listening every night can help you become more familiar with English sounds. At first, some words may sound strange or difficult. That is normal. When you hear the same words again and again, they may become easier to recognize. You do not need to understand every word. Just listen and try to catch the main idea. If you understand a little today, that is okay. Tomorrow, you may understand a little more. Learning a language takes time. Before sleeping, you can also review a few new words. Do not choose too many. 5 words can be enough. Listen to each word and hear how it sounds. Then, listen to a simple sentence with that word. For example, if you learn the word happy, listen to a sentence like, "I am happy today." If you learn the word home, listen to, "I am going home." Simple sentences can help you understand how words are used. Try not to make your study time stressful. English is not a race. You do not have to learn hundreds of words in one day. You only need to keep going. Small practice every day can become a strong habit. When you listen at night, you should also give your body enough time to rest. Sleep is important. Do not stay awake for many hours just to study English. You can listen for a short time before you sleep, then turn it off and rest. Remember, listening to English while you sleep does not mean you will suddenly speak English perfectly the next morning. Real progress comes from regular practice when you are awake. You need to listen, read, speak, and use English in your daily life. Night listening can simply be one part of your English routine. It gives you another chance to hear the language. It can also make English feel more familiar and comfortable. You can make a simple night routine. First, prepare your bed. Next, choose an easy English lesson. Then, listen quietly for a short time. Try to focus on the words. Do not worry if you forget some of them. Just keep listening. You can use the same lesson for several nights. This can be helpful because you will hear the same words many times. On the first night, you may understand only a little. On the second night, you may notice more words. After several days, the lesson may feel much easier. You can also repeat short sentences after the lesson during the day. This is a good way to connect listening with speaking. When you hear a sentence, try to say it slowly. Then say it again in a natural voice. For example, listen to, I have a busy day today. Then repeat it. Listen again and repeat it one more time. You do not need to speak perfectly. The goal is to practice and become more comfortable. Another good idea is to keep a small notebook. Write down words that you hear often. You can write the word, its meaning, and one simple sentence. The next day, read your notes and try to use the words. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Every English learner makes mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. If you make a mistake today, you can learn from it tomorrow. Your English journey may feel slow sometimes. You may think that you are not improving, but small changes can be hard to notice. Keep practicing. One day you may understand a sentence that was difficult for you before. That small moment can give you new confidence. So, tonight, give yourself a simple English moment. Choose a calm lesson. Listen to easy words. Listen to short sentences. Let English become part of your daily routine. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to learn everything at once. Start with a few minutes. Listen carefully. Practice during the day. Rest well at night. Keep your learning simple. Keep your mind calm. Keep practicing every day. English can become easier when you hear it often and use it regularly. Your progress may be slow, but every small step matters. So, relax, listen, and enjoy the sound of English. Good night, sleep well, and keep learning English one day at a time.